Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn History Lesson 3, Indus Valley Civilization. In early days, people lived in groups. Then they formed communities. Then evolved the societies, which in due course became civilization. What do you mean by civilization? The word civilization means a human society with well-developed social organization, culture, and a way of life. People settle near rivers because of fertility of the soil. Fresh water is available for drinking and irrigation. Easy movement of people and goods is possible. Indus Valley Civilization was an ancient civilization located in Pakistan and northwest India today on the fertile floodplain of Indus River and its vicinity. It is an urban civilization flourished about 3300 BC to 1900 BC. The ruins of Harappa were first described by British East India Company soldier and explorer Charles Marchant in his book. He wrote that he saw a ruined brick castle with very high walls and towers built on a hill. In 1856, when engineers laid a railway line connecting Lahore to Karachi, they discovered more burnt bricks. They used the bricks for laying the railroad. In 1920, archaeologists began to excavate the cities of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. In 1924, the Director General of ASI, Sir John Marshall, found many common features between Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. ASI means Archaeological Survey of India, which was started in 1861 with Alexander Cunningham as surveyor. Its headquarters is located in New Delhi. Some slight differences are found in the unearthenware of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. It made the researchers to conclude that Harappa was older than Mohenjo-daro. Some of the major Harappan sites within the Indian borders are Lothal, Kalibangan and Rajagiri. Harappan civilization is an urban civilization. Urban means city because of well-convinced town planning and architecture, priority for hygiene and public health, standardized weights and measures. Some of the features of Harappan civilization. Harappan city had two planned areas. They are Upper Town and the Lower Town. The part of the city to the west was higher and it is called as citadel. It was used by administrators. Great bath granaries are located in Upper Town. In a lower town was the east. It was used by common people. Streets are in a grid pattern. They were straight, running from north to south and east to west. The roads were wide with rounded corners. Houses were built on both sides of the street. Most of the houses had many rooms. Each house had toilets and bathrooms. The houses were built using baked bricks. Most of the bricks were of equal size. Roofs were flat. Many of these cities had covered drains. The drains were covered with slabs or bricks. Each drain had a gentle slope so that water could flow. Holes were provided at regular intervals to clear the drains. House drains passed below many lanes. Every house had its own soak pit which collected all the sediments and allowed only the water to flow into the street drain. The Great Bath, it is in a Mohenjo-daro. The Great Bath was a large rectangular tank in a courtyard. It may be the earliest example of waterproof structure. The bath was lined with bricks, coated with plaster. There were steps on the north and south leading into the tank. There were rooms on three sides. Water was drawn from the well located in a courtyard and drained out after use. The great granary was situated in Harappa. The granary was a massive building with solid brick foundation. A granary with walls made of mud bricks which are still in a good condition. Granaries were used to store food grains. The remains of wheat, barley, millets and pulses have been found there. Assembly Hall was another huge public building at Mohenjo-daro. It was multi-pillared hall. Harappans were great traders. Standardized weights and measures were used by them. They used sticks with mark to measure the length. They used carts with spokeless solid wheels. A naval dockyard has been discovered in Lothal in Gujarat. It shows the maritime activities of Indus people. Lothal is situated on the banks of tributary of Sabarmati River in Gujarat. Thank you, children.